You think because you're a one-woman business, you don't need structure. That's exactly why you need structure. So I used to think structures are for big brands, but eventually I got to know and learn that structure is what takes a small brand and make that small brand turn into a big brand with time when things are in place. The goal of this video is to help you as a one-woman business right now put in the right structures in place, put in the right things in place so that you don't get burnt out, you don't get tired, you don't get frustrated. You run your business the way you want to and you keep enjoying this business. When I ran my fashion business alone, I used to see structure as one big thing that is meant for big brands. So as someone, a solopreneur or running my fashion business alone, I really do not need stuff like that. So I was taking orders myself, cutting, sewing. Sometimes I'll go ahead and sew till midnight, sometimes even all through the night. So it was exhausting, frustrating, tiring, and I thought that is what it means to hustle hard so that one day when I have my grass to grace story, I'll tell people that I did everything. I did everything but myself. I was doing so much and all that, but I knew I needed help, but I really do not know where I needed the help from or what I needed the help with. So my brain was doing all the work, no plan, no system, just vibes. I was tired, I was confused, I was frustrated, all the word you can think of. I was in that state, and eventually, guess what? I burnt out and resented sewing. In this video, I'll be telling you areas where you need structures and how you can put those structures in place right now so that your business can succeed, so that you can keep running this business from the place of love and passion that you started this business with. So are you with me? Let's get right. Okay, let's deep dive. Let's deep dive. Let's dive deep. Let's just go into the main gist for today. Structure is knowing exactly what you do, how you do it, and why you do it. Now, let me break it down. What you do. What are those things you need to do or you need to be doing in your business and for your business that will bring about the success that your business really needs? Now, what are those things? Not things you just see yourself engaging every day. You have to sit down and ask yourself, what are those important things that I have to be doing in my business and for my business that will bring about the result that I want? Write them down. Now the next thing we say structure is when do you do them? So if I know I am going to create content so that I can grow the visibility of my brand, I also know that I have to be creating or delivering top quality products. You also know that you have to go to the market, you have to do this, you have to do that. Sit down and write it and tell, okay, when do I have to do this? So that I can ensure these are things that must be done. I should be doing them and I should be doing them at this day. So if, for example, you say, on Fridays, I'll be creating content. On Thursday, you're not thinking about content. Monday, you're not thinking about content, right? You're thinking about the tax for Monday, the tax for Tuesdays and all that. And when it comes to Friday, you are creating those content. So when you are working the next week, you're not thinking about, oh, my brand, I'm not creating enough visibility for my brand. I'm not doing much. You know, you have a day that you create all the content, that you create visibility for your brand. You know, days you are thinking about different things for your brand. I just explained why, because you know that you have to be doing this. They are very important to grow your brand. So you are asking yourself, why do I need to do this? I need to be more consistent online so that I can have more clients, so that more people can see the quality I give, more people can see and know that this brand exists. So you know why. You know why you have to be creating content. So even when you are tired on Friday, you're telling yourself, no, I have to create content today because this is my why, right? So depends every other thing you come up with, you know exactly why you are doing those things. And when you're tired or when you're not in the mood, you know why. So your why will take you up on your feet and ensure you do those things that must be done. Now, let's talk about areas where you need structures in your business right now as a solopreneur. So, you need structure to track all your orders for the week, for the month, and all that. So, you ensure that you know that you are on top of your game, giving out or delivering orders when you should be delivering them. Another area where you need structure is how to respond to clients, to customers. Sit down, sit back and ask yourself, how would I want to reply to every customers that come into my DM, come to my WhatsApp, anywhere they send me a message to make any form of inquiries? What would be the first thing I would like to say to them? Write it down. After saying that to them, what would be my follow-up message? So depending on their response, if they should say, oh, I want this and this and that, what would be my response? Write it down. Yes, okay, thank you. I think, can you send your account number? I would like to have this. I would like to order this. What would be your response? Write everything down. Write them down and store them on your phone where you can easily copy and paste. Whenever a client comes to your DM or anywhere, you just go to that place, copy it and paste. So why do you need to do this? On those days when you are not in the right frame of mind, life is life and you are not just in your 100%. Your customers can still feel, come to your WhatsApp, they come to your DM. So they still feel that way you are like prepared ahead, you the way you want them to feel when they experience you or experience your business. So do you get it? Like everything is still going well, even when personally you are not feeling 100% well or good, but your business, those things you have put in place, they are still doing so well. They are going well for you. Is that not freedom, if you ask me? How consistent are you right now on, let's even say, Instagram? Do you post consistently the way you would really want to post or love to post? If the answer is no right now, then the same thing, put structure in place. What you can do is go back, sit down. What would I like to talk about? I would like to talk about my business. I would like to show the behind the scene of how I go about my business. I would like to show my customers that we are legit. I would like to talk about this and that. These are what I'm interested in. I would like to teach my customers one or two tips on how to care for their fabrics and all that. Go online, make research. You already know, okay, all the things you like to do or talk about, all the content you like to create. When you have that in place, like the example I gave in the beginning, then you say, okay, on this day, I will be creating content for this brand. Imagine on that day, you go ahead and create the entire content for next week, for example. Pick one day and you edit your content, you go ahead to schedule your content. Guess what? Even when a day comes next week where you are not feeling 100%, you're not feeling good, your content is already there, growing your visibility for your brand. You didn't have a need to just make that content that week, but that content is already there, doing what it should be doing for your brand, growing your visibility, even when you are not just picking up the camera to shoot or create any content. That, if you ask me, is freedom. So these things I just explained, this is what structure is all about. See now that it's not about choosing team or working with team and all that. We have structure for that too when it gets to that stage. But these are structures you can put in place as a solopreneur currently running your business so that this business can keep running. Even when you feel like it, you don't feel like it, you have put certain things in place at different points that they can be working for you even when you're not going there immediately creating them or doing those stuff every day. So it gives you freedom because you have more time in your hand to do other things because you're actually taking the time out to create other things that are already running on their own that you don't need to go back to them. And that way you are not working from a place of confusion, tiredness, or burnout. Another thing that you can now struggle with again, even though you have put structure in place, is when you don't have clarity. You don't have clarity in your business, you don't have clarity about your target audience, you don't have clarity on what you are really doing. So if that's the challenge right now, I have a free guide for you. So this guide, it will help you think about your business all round. So even though you started already, you are currently struggling, this guide will show you where you missed, the part you have missed in your business and how to quickly correct it so that you can have more clarity and start growing your business well. I'll drop the link in the description box so that you can quickly go ahead and download that guide. Follow this channel, turn on your bell notifications for more videos. See you in my next video. Ciao.